See, this little capacitor has gold. You have the monolithics. Again, some gold pins. It's a nice little board. Now we're going to pop off this board here. Should be pretty easy. So another medium, maybe peripheral board, possibly. Is there a peripheral? And another hunk of aluminum. So we got ourselves another eye here, with this time with the dome. The dome has some useless plastic, but has a nice hunk of aluminum again. And all of this is all nice aluminum. I'm going to take this all apart. Got all the screws. Take out all the little metal bits so we can make it nice and clean. There you go. So, nice hunk of aluminum. Little screw here after remove. There you go. So, we got more aluminum, which I wasn't expecting. But it's always nice to get some surprises. Got a bunch of boards here compared, a lot more board material compared to before. Again, gold pins, tantalum monolithic capacitors, gold in these audio things. There's a switch. Some of that. We got the eye, that's almost out. Get this board out. There we go. So we have another nice board here, lots of gold material. Gold in this little connector here. Gold pins, IC chips. Lots of monolithic capacitors. I see some tantalum capacitors. This is a little SD card port. There's gold there. There's gold on the back. It's a nice little board.